Jimmy's Jukebox Mobile DJ.
Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got another 21st birthday. I'm in for torture, I know, these days. I want to show you something new that I bought. Can you remember when I made some uprights and I liked it that much and it works out well? I've decided to buy some proper upright poles, and so they're adjustable a little bit easier. Let's see what I bought to improve those uprights that fit my Equinox Combi booth. Let's see, shall we? So here's my Combi booth, and I've got some uprights to fit there, some proper ones. They come in a bag. They are made by Ultimax. So let's see what you get in the pack and see how well they go together. Hopefully my crossbar will fit on. Okay guys, so the uprights come in this nice bag. Sorry about the wind. It's been quite windy these days. I hope you can hear me okay. So it comes in a nice bag. What do we get in the bag? We get two uprights. So there's the uprights with those clips on the end, look square to circle. So it all comes in one kit, and it's got a nice mounting bracket at the top for any lights you want, and even a safety pin. And these are adjustable up and down. So hopefully this will be a lot easier than what I've been using. So you get two of these. They do only just fit in this bag, so I don't know how long this bag will last. But I have got that on the end so I don't lose them. But I'll probably end up, same again, probably end up taking them end caps off anyway. So that's what you get in the bag. Let's see how they fit, shall we? So these just clip onto there right now. So that's by undoing this. Let's clip them on, shall we? So they clamp on, so you want one at the top like that. That clamps on there. So let me tighten that up. So it's one at the top. You've got to do in between that bit so you can go through, and the one at the bottom. That is lovely and sturdy. Now that's that one on. I'll do the same with the other one. Okay, so that's the other side done. So if I wanted, I could just put a light onto there and pop it on, which I might do tonight. I haven't decided yet. I'm just going to try and put my crossbar on there, see what happens. There we go. So the crossbar fits nicely. And there I am now adjustable here. I'm going to adjust it up and down. Oh, the wasp just come to see me. So they're well secure, and that is solid. So yes, it's a good thing. And I've invested in those because I like those. They're a bit more solid and a bit more easy to transport. To get some lights on it. Okay, there we go guys. I've got the Chauvet wash effects, the Crossfire XP in the middle, and another Chauvet wash effects on the end there. And I'm sure you agree, looking good, nice and easy. They're good and solid because they're on the floor, easier than what I made. I'm glad they had the idea before. This is how I hide it up at the back. So starting this end, power in, and the power out to the next light. DMX in, DMX out, and into the input of the next light, and chain it. So I'll tape those two together and those two together to make it quick and easy to set up. There you go, that's for the crossbar. If I wanted, I could have used this just put the light on top of there, and that would fit on inside there. I will save those because there'll be a time when I just want just lights on the pole. The only thing I could put on is my shelves. Put my shelves on there and put 2 moving heads there, or maybe even my podiums if I'm doing a wedding, so I can have this as well. But this is the setup I'm going to use for a small wedding later in the year, where I've been before and I know there's not a lot of room. This will be ideal. Great setup. I like it. Right, so I've got the lights working on the crossbar. Looks really good. I managed to get them set up on sound switch. I'll see them working tonight, shall we? I'll show you. So there we go. I've got the lights up working, looking good. Working with sound switch. With the Denon DJ Prime 2 and the sound switch control 1. A must have if you're using sound switch. I'm just going to try a bit of smoke, see if my smoke machine's working. Love it. I've not used this for a while. I'm not able to use smoke tonight. So you see the difference when we can use the smoke. There we go. And used it for a while. Smoke's in. Shall we have a look? Wow! Does it make a difference to the lights? You can't really see, can you? You see the beams going through there? Oh, it still smells good. It smells like strawberries still. Okay, so yeah, you can see the beams a little better. That's cool. Yeah. Obviously you're not going to tell much during the light. This time of year you don't need much. Don't need your lights, your smoke machine on until 10 o'clock at night this time of year. Especially when you're in a light marquee like me. Okay, I'm going to get this van loaded up, ready to go to another 21st. But at least they've not sent me a playlist like last time. They've said they can trust me to do whatever I please. Whew. Right, let's get loaded up.